Story about Statue of Liberty. The Statue of Liberty is a colossal neoclassical sculpture located on Liberty Island in New York Harbor in the United States. The statue was a gift from the people of France to the people of the United States and was dedicated on October 28, 1886. The statue, which stands at a height of 305 feet, was designed by French sculptor Frédéric Auguste Bartholdi, and its metal framework was designed by Gustave Eiffel. The statue depicts a robed female figure representing Libertas, the Roman goddess of freedom, holding a torch in her right hand and a tablet in her left hand inscribed with the date of the U.S. Declaration of Independence. The Statue of Liberty has become an iconic symbol of the United States and is recognized worldwide as a symbol of freedom and democracy. It is a popular tourist attraction, with millions of visitors every year who climb the 354 steps to the top of the pedestal for a panoramic view of New York City and the surrounding area. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more updates.